What's up, my friends? Welcome to New View Tech Review. My name is David Gelly, and today we are unboxing the Mixcder E9 wireless headphones. So, let's get to it. Alright everyone, so here we are with the Mixcder E9 wireless headphones. Mixcder actually reached out to me to see if I'd like to review these headphones, and I said heck yes. So they sent these to me for free, and I'm super excited to dive in and see what they sound like, what they look like. Nothing is paid for. Mixcder isn't telling me what to do. There's no sponsorship here. This is just simply my personal thoughts on these headphones. So with that being said, let's dive right into the unboxing. So right off the bat, I gotta say that I'm pretty excited that it comes with a carrying case. It'll be good for traveling and just lugging around wherever you go. It feels pretty durable and soft, but we are here to check out the headphones, so let's open this thing up and see what we got inside. Ooh, man, those are nice. Look at that shine. Okay, so it comes with a little strap to hold them in to make sure it's secure while you're traveling. I like that. I'll set these off to the side for 1 second. All right, so here's a quick overhead view of everything that comes in the box. We got the user manual, the charging cord, the auxiliary cord for a wired connection, this weird adapter thing that I have no clue what it does, but somebody I'm sure is going to be telling me in the comment section down below, a warranty card of some sort, the carrying case, and of course the E9s themselves. So flipping right on over to the bottom, it looks like we have a headphone jack right here for your wired connection, ANC switch, your volume buttons, micro USB port for charging up the battery, and your power button. So the first thing that I'm going to say while I'm actually holding these is that they actually feel pretty durable and the materials feel high quality. The ear pads are nice and soft, so I'm sure that's going to help with, longevity, wearing these for a long period of time. All right, so I'm going to put these on and just kind of see how they feel comfort-wise and let you know. Well, I can definitely say that these are very comfortable, but the big question is how do these audio drivers sound? So I'll be testing these out for the next week and a half and listen to a bunch of music, podcasts, everything you can think of. And I'll be giving you guys a full review and my honest opinion on these things in a couple weeks here. So stay tuned for that. All right, ladies and gents, make sure to click one of the next 2 videos right over here to keep watching. Thanks for stopping by, and I'll see you over in the next one.